all the food that we need within the Yoruba land. Benue State should be supplying all the food. Oyo State as the food basket. How many people have heard about this? I'm hearing this for the first time. But I am seeing that Google under AI overview is telling us now that that area is famous as the food basket of Oyo State. Amakongbo, Benue, the food basket. Ben Igogon ti Baba Aburode ti Oloyelo, and I was there in 2021 in January with him. And it's a privilege that we'll be traveling back to that same axis to see that things have calmed down in the last few years rather than how it was in 2021. A fẹ́ lọ ṣe dúpẹ́, wọ́n fẹ́ dúpẹ́, àwa náà fẹ́ lọ dúpẹ́ pé ìtọ́lóyè